Good morning, Steve here in Chicago with the grain market comments. Again, this is the last day of 2020. Everyone stay safe and be smart tonight. Hopefully 2021 will be much better. As far as overnight prices, beans and corn are higher while wheat's a little bit lower. Yesterday we had some rumors in wheat that U.S. wheat prices were competitive for an Algerian tender. We're not competitive if you plug in freight. Maybe it's a little profit taking there, but I think wheat will be supported in 2021 with higher corn, bean prices, and also the need for spring rains across the U.S. plains and the Black Sea. Corn was up yesterday after Argentina suspended their corn exports for the remainder of this marketing year. And if we can look at South American total corn production, somewhere at 147 million tons versus the USDA's 159, and exports at 66 versus the USDA's 73. So some of that demand could come to the United States, increase our exports, tighten our carryout, and continue to push prices even higher. As far as the beans are concerned, again, maybe the same thing. Lower South American crop, late crops could shift some demand for especially February to the U.S. and tighten our situation. We're also looking at higher world vegetable oil prices, and overnight the China soybean meal, and soybean oil contracts made new contract highs. And with good crush margins, China could import a total of 110 million tons of beans this marketing year. As far as 2020, we started out with trade wars and the vaccine. The stock market low was 18,200. We're now close to 30,600. The dollar was almost at 104. It's now near 89.5. Crude was at $27 a barrel. We're now almost at $50 a barrel. Nearby corn was $331. Now we're at $481 overnight. Beans were at $824. Last night's high was $1320. And Chicago wheat was a low of $488. And last night's high was $644. So we continue to think that a tightening of the U.S. situation, weather, the vaccine versus the virus, all these things could contribute to higher prices for commodities and grains in 2021. I think we also note that Hightower was talking about moving a third of his stock portfolio out of the stock market into commodity funds. So we'll have to be watching anything about inflation. We'll have to be watching anything out of Washington. And we'll also have to be watching the demand for raw materials if they increase once we can put this virus behind us. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. Have a safe New Year's Eve and a prosperous 2021. As always, remember to try to treat people as you yourself would like to be treated.